Neetu Chandra and I am the heroine of the film Adi Bhagwan, which is releasing on 24th January. My character in the film is very different than all the characters which I have done till now. I love my character and I think this is my best film. I really want to thank Amir sir, director Amir Sultan, who has given me the opportunity to be a part of Adi Bhagwan. He's a director who's professional, perfectionist. He has taught me a lot of lessons. For 2.5 years, I have been around him, shooting with him. So I have to also tell you the stories where I have actually cried in the film. And off screen, I have really got a lot of scolding from him. So he's like this strict principal and the director who has scolded me for 2.5 years to get a product like this. And all of us have actually cried and actually been very sad on the sets also. But as far as I know, the scolding is good for the film. I'm fine with it. I really want to thank Amir sir that he gave me this opportunity. He's always also been my co-actor. If you remember, we did a song together, Kanitiv Punna, a yellow sari song. It's pretty famous by that name. After that, we started talking and he said, I will never work with you because you don't know Tamil and I don't know Hindi English. So gradually I tried learning Tamil and I got a chance to get into Adi Bhagwan. My hero is J.M. Ravi and he is fantastic. I have to say that you must wait and see him in Adi Bhagwan doing action. He's done a wonderful job. I think the music of the film is beautiful by Yuvan Raja. I've been a big fan of Ilaiyaraaja sir and I think Yuvan Raja sir has also done a great job. I love all the songs and Kartule is my favorite song. You must watch it out. You must watch it on YouTube. It's coming very soon and all the televisions. 24th January is the day that I've been really waiting and I'm sure all of you are also waiting. Talking about my technical people, I think the camera people have done great job. The DOPs of the film, Tamil sir and Devraj sir, they have given a visual treat through Adi Bhagwan to all of you. You must watch it out. We have shot in different places, Canada, Pattaya, Bangkok, Rajasthan, Mumbai, Goa, Chennai, everywhere, and you will see the best of all these places. And thanks to the whole camera team to put it the way it is in Adi Bhagwan. So Adi Bhagwan releasing on 24th January. Please go and watch in the theatres. Good luck. I've been working in Hindi. I have got, my 2 films have got solo lead national awards, Traffic Signal and Oye Lucky Lucky Oye. Couple of more projects. Garam Masala was my first film directed by Priyadarshan sir. I've worked with Amitabh Bachchan, Ram Gopal Verma, Anees Bazmi, really good directors to work with, and also Akshay Kumar, John Abraham. But I have to also say that in Tamil, I have worked with Madhuvan in Yavarum Nallam, Tira Devillati Pillai, Vishal, and now J.M. Ravi. The directors have been Vikram Kumar, Thiru, and now Amir sir. So finally, my destination had to come to the best, and I think I have got an opportunity to work with the best director. One of the best directors who I would say is Amir sir, and it's very different style because he always says that creativity doesn't have a time foundation, and I agree with him. A lot of people keep on asking me, itna time lag gaya, so much time it has happened, so much time it has happened. But you know, if he says that creativity doesn't have a time foundation, it's fine. Why not? Instead of doing 5-6 films in 2 years, 2.5 years, and which doesn't do well, it's better to depend on the quality than the quantity. I really like the way he works. He thinks a lot. Every character in his film has an eminent position, status in the film, and he has been actually working on every character. So I think the way Amir sir has worked, he is a legend. So I don't know because this is the first time I'm working with him, right? So I would not know the difference between he working earlier. There's no answer I have, basically, that's what I'm telling you. I don't have an answer because first time only I'm working with Amir, no, as a director.
Our previous one is a
Yeah, Parthiviran.
On the particular heroine character, in the particular heroine character,
when I started talking to Amir sir about the film, I was just wondering that what kind of character I would get. I saw his film Parthiviran where I thought Priyamani had got a great character, and later she got a national award also. So I was a little greedy, and I thought maybe, you know, if I get a chance to work with him and he gives me a really good character, I might, you know, get an. No, I'm not really longing for a national award or something. No, no, no. I'm only longing to present the best I could. And if you, as generally in Indian film, females are not given a lot of importance in the film. But Amir sir is different. He is already given very important role to Priyamani in Pattiviran, which I'm very excited about. And I thought that maybe, you know, I also get a very good role. So luckily I got a really, really good role. I'm very, very happy and satisfied with the way it's come out. And hopefully you will also like it. So 24th January, don't forget.
இந்த படத்துல ஜெயபிரகாஷ் வந்து ஒரு 3 கெட்டப்ஸ்ல வராரு. உங்களுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது
3 get-ups? Who told you? Ravi told you?
நீங்க அது மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது அந்த மாதிரி
I was not shooting with Ravi then that time. Sorry. Well, Ravi has a great character and he's done a great job in the film. I've also done a great job, so you have to go and watch it to tell me how I have done. I would not talk about anybody's character because I'm really scared of Amir sir. He's told me not to talk, so I can't talk about it. But you will see it soon. It's just 20 days to go, 24th January.
favorite song?
Favorite songs. My favorite song in the film is Katrile, but I like the rap song also and I like the Hindi number because of course I understand Hindi very well and it was shot in the worst condition in Goa, so that's also very, very close to me, but I love Katrile song. Katrile, go hear it.
தமிழ் சினிமா பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க?
Tamil cinema. Well, this is my third Tamil film and also one work which I have done with Amir, that is Kanithil Punna song. I think Tamil industry today, especially in 100 crores, is the backbone of Hindi cinema. I would surely say this because all the Tamil films which are really, all the Hindi films which are doing really, really well are the remake of Tamil films. And hopefully Adi Bhagwan also gets remaked in Hindi and I do the film. I love Tamil films for another reason, that the directors and the actors of Tamil industry are very gutsy and very brave, I would say, because they do sci-fi, they do action, they are not trend followers, they are the trend makers. Generally in Hindi what happens that if somebody has got a ghost film which is a hit, so everybody starts doing ghost film. If a love story is a hit, then everybody starts doing love story. So this way everybody starts following a trend. Here everybody is doing different genres, which is a great thing and which is a very brave thing to do. Also they give female a lot of importance in the film. Not all of them, but there are people who give it and they see it very important to give female a very important role.
மல்டி ஹீரோயின் சப்ஜெக்ட் ஏதாவது வந்தா நடிப்பீங்களா இல்ல சிங்கிள் ஹீரோயின் நடிப்பீங்களா?
I did know Tira Devi Lati Bille, 3 girls. Inna sir.
வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல கமிட் ஆயிருக்கீங்க?
Commit I will not talk to you about, but I will talk to. I have 4 releases this year which are ready to release. This is Adi Bhagwan, the most awaited. I have done an international film which is directed by a Greek director. We shot all over in Europe. His name is Kyriakos Tofaridis. He is from Greece. My 2 Hindi films are ready to release. It's called Shooter and Khusar Prasad Ka Bhoot. The one common thing about all these 4 films are that I'm a solo lead in all these films. These are films which are ready to release, and I have 3 more projects which are signed, but I'll tell you later once it is ready to release. Thank you so much for listening to me, and go and watch Adi Bhagwan only in theatres on 24th January. Thank you. God bless.